Welcome to my channel. This video is for a ribbon pin, a small one. I'm using this one for a big sister pin. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications. I made a 2-inch circle out of white chipboard. I'm cutting my ribbons at 4 inches long because I don't want this pin to be very big. I'm just hot gluing the pieces together to form a loop. I have a total of 8 pieces of ribbon for 8 loops. I'm using mostly Grosgrain ribbons for this. You can make ribbon pins out of any type of ribbon you have. I will warn you about using too much Grosgrain on these. It will make it very heavy, so you might want to use some lighter ribbons with that, like polypropylene or acetate. Those ribbons are much lighter. That's what we use on homecoming mums. This is 1.5 inch width ribbons. Now I'm going to add some gold glitter ribbon to this pink. They requested bright colors, pink, and a lot of gold bling. So I'm adding some gold glitter on top of that. You can put it directly in the middle, or you can slant it a little bit, or even attach it a little off to the side. So however you want to attach this is fine, whatever look you're going for. Here's the flower-shaped diamond mesh or diamond wrap that I will be using too. And now I'm going to start with these chevron loops. I'm just hot gluing them to my circle. And just be careful about how far in or out you attach these to your circle, because that's going to either make the pin really small or really big. So I'm doing 1 inch. It's coming off the circle about 1 inch. Now I'm going to attach the next one opposite, because I always like to attach north, south, east, and west. It just helps me to keep everything even when I do it like that. Now for the polka dot, and then lastly I will do the pink and gold. For those of you that watch my homecoming mum videos, you're probably wondering why I'm hot gluing and not stapling. The reason is it's so small, I don't want to end up with a bunch of staples and it will make it very thick. Plus I'm not going to do a bunch of backers either, so hot gluing, I won't have to cover up any staples and it won't be really thick in the center. Again, now that I'm attaching the second layer of loops, I'm going north, south, east, and west. I just like to go opposite of each side. I don't know why, it just turns out better that way for me when I do it like that. When you do one and then you do the one across from it, and then you go to the other side and you do the one across from it. I just like the way that turns out the best. It ends up more even and it just looks nicer. So do whatever works for you, but this is the way I like to do it. And as you see, when I'm doing the second layer of 4 loops, I made them touch in the center so that it's all nice and even, and I won't have to cover up a whole bunch of mess there in the center. So now I'm going to attach some streamers, and I'm not doing very long streamers again because it's going to be a small pin, and I'm actually just doing 2 pink streamers and then a polka dot streamer. Now you could do another circle backer and attach the streamers to it and then attach the 2 backers together, but you would have to make sure that they were the exact same size circle. I'm just going to attach my streamers to the back of this one. Since I'm only doing 3 streamers, I don't need to do all that. Now I did already cut that polka dot one, but I recut it because I didn't like the color of polka dots that was showing through between those pink ones, so I flipped it over. Now you'll want to decorate this however you want, and you will want to make sure that you put a clean white or solid colored chipboard on the back just for a clean look, and you can attach a pin to that chipboard, or you can simply do like a straight pin or a safety pin into the actual ribbon. Now I'm going to add a little bit of bling, and I will show you the finished look of this, but I'm not going to do a tutorial on the entire thing, but you will see it finished. If you would like to see a ribbon pin made from start to finish, I do have a video tutorial for that. It's a birthday pin. It's a little bit longer, but it's the same thing. I add custom cutouts in the center that I cut out on glitter cardstock using my Scan and Cut 2. So if you have a vinyl cutter, you can cut that out. You can buy glitter cardstock at any craft store. I will also be cutting out my own vinyl stickers for Big Sister and for a draft because it's a draft theme. It's also sprinkled, that's why I used the polka dot. I added a little gold tinsel before I did the custom cutouts, just add a little bit more sparkle. And I also did that baby blue in soft satin ribbon because she's having a little brother. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to tap the bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. Share, like, comment, but please be kind with your comments. Please be kind to others and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.